A very warm welcome to one and all present here. Myself Komal Dinesh Srivastav and I am presenting a PowerPoint presentation. It's my immense pleasure to present this PowerPoint presentation on the occasion of World Fungus Day on behalf of Sri Shivaji Arts, Science and Commerce College, Akola. So now let's go through the content. That is introduction, causes, symptoms, how does it spread, and crop affected by it, controls and measures. First of all, introduction. Fungi of genus Sclerotinia attack wide range of vegetables, fruits and field crops. Two species, Sclerotinia sclerotorium and Sclerotinia minor, causes important disease in vegetables. Sclerotinia sclerotorium occurs on more than 400 different hosts, including numerous cultivated vegetables. Sclerotinia minor occurs more than 90 hosts, including peanut, lettuce and potato. Here you can see the two pictures which I have displayed, that is of first Sclerotinia sclerotorium and the second one is of Sclerotinia minor. Now let's go towards the symptoms. Symptoms includes water-soaked rotting of leaves, stem of fruits with white fluffy fungal mycelium covering affected area. The sclerotia are white first and then later on becomes black and hard. You can see in the pictures that first picture it shows that water soaked rotting of leaves and the second picture shows that it converts white into black and hard. Now let us see how does it spread. Sclerotinia sclerotorium. During the moist weather, Sclerotinia sclerotorium near the soil surface germinate and produce slender stalks that terminates in small cup-shaped structures called as apotheca. Echospores germinate when they land on sensing plant parts such as old blossom leaves, which provide a readily available food source. Sclerotinia minor. A sensing food base is not required for Sclerotinia minor infection. Instead, Sclerotinia germinate to produce fungal mycelium that infects plants directly. Cool, wet weather favors Sclerotinia rots. Now you can see here the crops which are affected such as fruits, vegetables, field crops. Now you can see here the carrot which is affected by Sclerotinia rots, soya bean, sunflower and brinjal plant. Now last but not least, let us see the control and methods. Rotate sustainable crops with resist ones such as summer and winter cereals, onion and sweet potato. Plug in disease crop immediately after harvest. Apply recommended fungicide. Correct timing and good penetration of foliage are essential for effective control. Seek advice for disease management in specific crops. Thank you for listening.